Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Developer. Apple. With a current Apple ID, make sure your identity details match legal documents. Enable two-factor authentication immediately because Apple blocks enrollment without it. Decide whether to enroll as an individual or organization. Organizations need a DUNS number and legal formation documents. Once decided, gather a government ID, business registration, and tax information so you can complete forms quickly. Starting now shortens verification delays and prevents repeated back and forth during the application. Next, submit the required documents through the enrollment flow and follow the prompts to verify your identity and business status. Apple compares submitted names to DUNS and government records. If you need a DUNS, request it now and confirm the registered business contact matches your enrollment contact to avoid mismatches. Read and accept the developer agreements carefully, then prepare the $99 annual fee. Have a card or corporate payment method ready. Once submitted, monitor the inbox for verification requests and respond promptly. Finally, complete payment and follow any last verification steps Apple requests. Once approved, your developer account becomes active and you can enter App Store Connect. Set up roles, invite team members, and create certificates, identifiers, and provisioning profiles to sign and upload builds. Configure banking and tax agreements so your apps can earn revenue. If verification stalls, contact Apple Developer Support and double-check DUNS and legal name matches. Mismatched organization records are the most common cause of delays, so correct them quickly to proceed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.